Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to see if I can save my Fox body fenders. There's a lot of surface rust on there. I'll get ready to show you here quickly. The plan is to just clean off the rust to see if they're salvageable, like that one. These fenders had the original VIN stickers on them, so I really like to save them. I don't know if I can grind all that out, probably come back. But this rust, something's probably hiding under that. Okay, here's a close look at what I'm working with here. See the heavy corrosion. See how much that I can get off around this flare. There's some down here too. To know if they're salvageable or not, I want to retain the original VIN stickers. And that's what I'm working with. Okay, this is after hitting with the abrasive wheel and wire brush. Looks pretty rough, but I haven't hit it with the abrasive yet, so probably should have started with the other fender. It is covered. Day 2 at this, I ran out of battery power in daylight. Pretty windy, so hopefully the wind's not bad. This was the worst fender. A little bit of corrosion in it. Still got to go over to 80 grit. Looks like I'm gonna be able to save it. Here's the bad spot. Don't much care right now. Anyway, here's more wind. Here's the other fender. This has only been gone over once. This was the best one, so looks like I'm gonna save my fenders. Okay, this is after hitting it once with the Wizzy Wheel 36 grit and some 80. I ran out of disc, so I went and got more. And this is going to turn out good. Hope to get this all removed today. Underneath that lip is no fun. Can y'all see under there? Okay guys, the compressor's building up again. This is 36 grit. I'm about done. The very inside, that's going to be fender rolled anyway. Okay, the next thing we're going to do here is you can see that improved a lot. I got some corrosion there and I got some there. I'm going to take that out with the wire brush and then DA with 80 grit. And I used a block right here on this flat area to see how straight it is. This is what it looks like after the wire brush. You can see most of the corrosion's gone. Here's the other bad spot. I'm gonna hit it with the 80 grit. I've had that paper since 1990s when I did the my other car. Not made in China. You can easily see where it's low. This will help correct the some. Of course, it'll get final body work, but okay, guys, I've been on this for about 4 hours now. It's looking really good. Anyway, getting ready to prime. You can see the wind's picking up, of course. It's nighttime. Not sure how well you can see, but it's a lot of work. This is the worst fender, the driver's side. I eventually probably going to weld in some metal there. You can see I cut that out, but I got under it really, really well. That was a lot of work, man. We're going to etch it with some PPG metal conditioner, and then going to hit it with some self-etching primer. Okay, not sure if you can see well in this light, but you see the, there you go. It's chemically etched. It says on there that would leave a white residue. It should help that, but I'm gonna cut that out anyway, but I'm just getting the flares of these fenders done before code hits, which is coming soon. Here's what I got done. I bought a new fender extension there. Of course, this still needs the metal put in underneath. It's nice and slow. Looks much better than they did before. At least I know they're worth working on. Yeah, totally happy with that.